This is a follow-up video from the box building chapter. I needed a small box and I wanted it to be with the small sticks. So it took about an hour to make this project, not including the drying time it took overnight. But these are the small paint sticks. And, you secure the bottom one up per the last how-to video. And then these are just tacked on so that they can support the sticks while you're, okay, there we go, while you're gluing up the whole box. Then what you do is you carefully cut this bottom section off. Basically, you're cutting this part away, but you're leaving the bottom section here because you secured it so tight. Glue, hot glue. And it's a lot easier without the camera right in front of your nose. Once it's cut, you can start to pry the other ones away. Also, you need to finish the cut right here, down here. There we go. One more corner there. And then just start to rip this off. And you can see the little dabs of hot glue where I just attached the sticks to the box temporarily. So now what you need to do is just clean those up. Those peel off or scrape off with the X-Acto knife. And then there are some little bit of damage down here. But basically what you've got is a cute little box, sand that up real good, sand. See right there, it's not really level. Sand that up. And then to make this box stronger, I put this bottom piece, and I'll also put and glue a piece here and here. So that's an hour box plus a little bit of cleanup. Come on now. Anyhow. And it's sturdy. I also, if you didn't see on the other chapter, I glue up the bottoms really well. Thanks.